Welcome to the unboxing of Bluedio speaker. Comes in a package like this. Let's open up the package. The item is ordered through Lazada. Comes with a nice bubble wrap, so it protects the quite well. This is the Bluedio speaker, Turbine Plus, Hurricane. Do not accept if seal is broken. Oh dear, seal seems to be broken, but it's not really broken, it's just that it's not sticking properly. So let's see inside if it's still in a good condition. It's white in color. What's in the box? It's the USB cable to micro USB to USB cable. You have the happy, not happy, happy, and you're supposed to give your feedback here. Comes with this 2 male jack cable, and instruction sheet with really tiny wording. You need a microscope to be able to see this. Okay. Again, male cable, USB to micro USB, and the headphone itself. You can turn it this way. This is how it looks. Looks like a turbine, white, and with volume control, USB, presumably for charging. I haven't tried it yet. And you have the 3-button control, and with up and down toggle switch here. So I do not know what it's for. I have not tried it yet. So that's the unboxing. Okay, bye.